First, you're gonna heat to medium. Then grab 1/4 cup of water, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of white corn syrup. Get all that in there. Then get your cream of tartar. 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar. Get that in there. Stir. So it turns to this consistency. Even stir when it's at that consistency. Wait until it boils, and wait until the candy thermometer gets to 300 Fahrenheit. Until it gets to 300 Fahrenheit. Yet. Keep on stirring while you're doing this. Let it boil until it gets to 300 Fahrenheit. Or not. Then grab your pot. When it's at 300 degrees, take it off the burner that it was just on. Turn it off the heat. Turn it off your heat. Now put your lemon zest. Lemon zest, or 1 teaspoon of lemon extract, and stir. We use we use lemon zest. Now put yellow food coloring in it. A few drops, not too many. Couple drops. Now pour onto a cookie sheet with parchment paper. Get all of it, because it'll stick to your pan. Hot. Let it dry and cool for a minute. While it's still kind of warm, cut it into small pieces. Now there's your lemon drops.